Got the hole dug, got everything poured.
Oh, I see their nest.
We got everything up, all of our rebar in. We got one more course to go in all the way around it. We got to build our sun ledge here, steps right there, and then put up our bracing and we'll be ready to pour. So we're back at our pool project today. We got the walls all built up, everything braced. Today is pour day, so we got concrete coming in a couple hours. When we got here today, we had to finish up a few things. We had to make these custom curved forms right here for the curved blocks. We had to get our stair stringers in there, get some of our bracing up here, tie off all of our rebar, and just kind of go through everything and check and make sure that we got it all good. There's no going back once you start pouring concrete.
Mine still don't show anything. Rain stopping in 4 minutes. Is that what yours says?
It says it's not raining right now, so I'm checking the
Okay, cool.
radar.
I'll go with that.
Yeah, we'll start there and then work our way that way. Pretty good. It looks pretty good for now. Don't hit it too hard, remember? Yep. Faster that way.
So you'll fill up all the walls and then do the steps and the sun shelf wall?
Maybe I should actually skip over and do a little bit of those steps. What I like to do is get some in there and let it
Start to set up, yeah. Yep.
All right, so we just got done with the first truck. We got about 3/4 of the way up here and about halfway up on the deep end. We got all the rain, so it's kind of slippery for them to get out. He did end up getting out, so we'll see how the next truck goes. See if he gets stuck.
That's got to be our next one. Try and angle it out so the concrete, yep. And then this side, right where you're at, yep. Yep. All right, yeah. Come back a little bit. A little bit more. Yeah. Maybe take that next one just a little bit too.
Out or back?
Out. Yep.
Anything on the far end?
Far end's pretty good. Maybe go to the next one down and go out a little bit. Yep. I feel like right where you're at can go. I mean, we either try and match what's at that end because it still hooks out. You see that?
Yeah. That could just be that board, the way it screws in though too.
Okay. Maybe we need to bring some of.
Guard that last foot or two.
Okay. If we bring some of the ones on the slope out a little bit, that would.
Meaning,
Or in, excuse me.
that's probably as far as I can go.
Yep, that helped. Yep. Yes, sir.
This one?
Skip that one. Yeah, bring that towards you. Yep. And then this last one here. Yep. Maybe one more crank.
The last one?
Yep. Yeah, that's way better.
Way better?
Yeah.
So when I screwed those boards, I screwed them together. This board was a little bit short. So when I screwed this one in, it pulled it in like that.
Oh, I see.
Is it just the end or is it like a few feet?
It's just like the last foot. We should take the last one on the slope out.
Okay, hang on 1 second.
I don't know how much we'll be able to do.
This one goes out.
Up. Yep. Yep. And then one down towards me. Yep.
Goes out.
Yep. Yep. And then the next one down in just a little bit.
That's probably
Yeah.
about it.
Yeah. To me, it looks like those top two can go out as well. Yep.
More?
Yeah. And then do the one next to it. Yep.
That's probably about as far as I can go. All right, we got the ICF walls poured after a few mishaps. The rain, the truck getting stuck, the sun coming out sets up a lot quicker, but all in all, went pretty good. No issues. Everything straight, everything lined up the way that it should, so we are all good.